Okay, thank you very much. Now I'm going to present our portfolio Webstack project for our final last run project of LX program. It's titled Online Bookshop, a store for your books needs. It's a motto. The team members that are going to build this web application are Bikila Katama, a fellow backend engineer, and me myself, Bak Andreas, a backend engineer. This online project is a website that allows users to browse, search, and purchase books from the comfort of their homes or anywhere, any place as long as they have internet connection. This website features a user-friendly interface with an easy-to-use search and filtering options to help users find the books they are looking for. It also offers a wide selection of books, including new releases, bestsellers, and classics. And users also can browse books by genre, by the book authors, and by their book titles. And each book has its own page with detailed information, including description, reviews, and related books to that book. And another thing is users can create an account on a website to save their shipping and billing information for a faster checkout and to access a more advanced this web application features. It's a must to have users to create their account. The learning objectives that we have assumed to build these web applications are learning how to design and develop the user-friendly website with an easy-to-use search and filtering options. Another thing is understanding how to manage an online inventory book of books, including adding new releases and bestsellers and classics. And another thing is implementing a MERN stack for developing this web application, since we are using those technologies to build this web application, and learning how to implement account creation and also managing those account features related to that features. And another thing is learning how to create a detailed book pages with descriptions and reviews and related books. The technologies that we are going to be using for building this web application is called a MERN stack, which includes MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that can be used to store our user data of the website. Express.js is another thing is Express.js. Express.js is a web application framework for a Node.js that can be used to build the backend of the website. It's used to manage the server side and routing, such kind of like that. And for the front end, we are going to be using the React. It's a JavaScript library for building the user interfaces. And the last one is Node.js. It's a JavaScript runtime that can be used to build the backend of the website as well. And the third services that we are going to be using is the Google's Books API. Since we need a data-rich website for our project, we integrated a Google Books API, since it allows its full text searches and retrieve book information and for vocabulary, and it's also free to use. Schedule of the work, since we have given approximately 27 days, which means 4 weeks, and we are going to be using the first 2 weeks for project planning and research. We are going to define the project scope, requirements, and also research available technologies. We have identified the technologies as well, but we can also try to integrate other technologies if it suits our needs, and also another APIs. And we are going to create a project plan on these 2 weeks. After that, the last 2 weeks will be the development phase. We are going to be building the front end and also the back end of the website. We are going to implement the front end of the website using the React. We are going to integrate the Google's API to retrieve the book data. And another thing is we are going to build the back end of website using Node.js, Express, and MongoDB. and developing the features such as user authentication, payment processing, and order management. And we are going to test and debug those backend and also front-end functionalities. And challenges that we have already identified are creating a seamless, user-friendly, and also intuitive website that provides best shopping experience. And this includes designing an easy to use interface and providing accurate, up-to-date information about the books, and ensuring fast, reliable checkout can be challenged. We assumed it can be challenging for us. And another thing is managing a large inventory of books can be complex, especially when dealing with new releases and bestsellers and rare outfits. Ensuring that inventory is accurate and up to date is must and essential to be considered. And thank you very much. This is our portfolio pitch.